Hi, my dear friends. Hope you all are doing well, doing great, wherever you are. Today I am going to talk about the topic increase the standard of your life. My dear friends, whether you drive a Wagoner or a Mercedes Benz car, the road remains same. Whether you speak on Samsung or iPhone X, the person whoever you calling remains the same. Whether you are flying economy class or business class, the destination where you are going to land remains the same. Whether you wear a simple wristwatch or any Omega or Rolex watch, the time remains the same. So friends, what I am going to explain is, it is quite amazing that we keep ourselves engaged and busy to increase the standard of our living, and we forget to increase the standard of our life. And in trying to enhance, to improvise, and to increase the standard of our living, we often forget to increase the standard of our life, which is really important. In trying to do such thing, please don't ever compromise with increasing the standard of our life. It is not the standard of our living which can make us happy. It is the standard of our life which can truly make us happy. But we avoid and don't keep our attention on those things which can truly make us happy. So friends, if you think that money is so important and money is everything, then you are the poorest person in this world. Because when you want to celebrate your success or your happiness, you can't celebrate it alone. You have to celebrate. You want at least one person to celebrate your life's victory or your happiness. Even any drinker, when he sits for drinking, he needs a partner to drink. So friends, this is a harsh reality. So money can't give us happiness every time and everywhere. Money is important. It is like oxygen. But increasing the standard of our life is parallelly important. So friends, do you want to test how rich you are? I have some test for it. So friends, if you really want to test how rich you are, drop a tear from your eye and see how many hands come to wipe that tear. If you got such hands in front of you, then you are the richest person in this world. Believe me, my friends, you are the richest person in this world. So friends, keep increasing the standard of your life, and ultimately the standard of your living will increase itself. Thank you so much, my dear friends. All the best. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day ahead.